Today's video, I will be showing you exactly how you can make thousands upon thousands of dollars from the simple side hustle that anyone can do. All you would need is a mobile device and a stable internet connection. If this sounds like something you are interested in, make sure to watch this whole video. Hello everyone, it is Financial Dex, and like I just said, I will be showing you how you can make thousands upon thousands of dollars. Now, I know that everyone needs some money, whether you have a full source income and are already looking for a side hustle, or maybe you are looking for a full-time job. This can definitely help earn some cash, and like I said, all you need is a mobile phone, so there's not much requirements at all. I am on the laptop, but you can do this exactly the same by using the top link in the description. Just go ahead and throw that into your web browser, and once you go there, you will see get paid to take photos. Start selling your photos today. Now, this is using photojobs.com. It's exactly what it says. You can take photos and start selling photos. Now, I know what you're probably thinking. I have no experience taking photos. How could I possibly do this? But people will pay for any photos. I'm telling you, you go outside, you can take a picture of the ground looking like anything. Try to have some creative mind behind it. Don't just take a picture of your grass and put it up here and expect to make hundreds of dollars. But you never know what you could take around your location that might look cool to other people that are somewhere else. And if you do hit learn more, as you see, the network, it's here to help you sell pictures to thousands of potential buyers. And it says, people could use this for their websites, catalogs, books, etc. Whatever they could use it for, the people could buy your picture and go ahead and use it. So how does it work? Exactly like I just said, take photos. Where do I work? You're a freelancer. You can go outside, even inside, whatever you're doing, take pictures of whatever, literally anywhere, anytime. Upload them, get the earnings. There's no limit. As much as you can earn, then you'll earn that much. And if you live outside the US, like I said, no problem. So your location, you might be in like Idaho in the middle of the US, but someone in India over here building a website might think that your picture looks super cool, super unique, so they might end up buying it all the way across the world, still get the same amount of money. So all you guys will want to do is scroll to the bottom, hit join now, and it is a $1 join now premium membership. Now, before you freak out that you got to pay, it's literally make money or your money back. There is a 60-day money back guarantee for your safety, and yeah, so it will give you a step-by-step guide to photo jobs, a job database, monthly new content, daily email support, and unlimited income opportunity, which is the biggest one because it's hard and as much work that you want to put in, you can put in to make money. So right here it says the steps: select membership, enter info, submit photos. So if you go ahead and just $1 join here, it'll take you straight here. Here's the checkout. You will be putting on your email address. This is where they will email you everything that you will need to see. The payment method, credit card, card holder's name, you guys know how all that works. And there's a ClickBank guarantee. So within 60 days, if you don't get the product or anything like that, full refund. Even if you don't, it's $1, but ClickBank is super reliable. If you guys don't know what ClickBank is, you can look that up. Even PhotoJobs, if you want to look that up by itself, also super reliable to be making money. I wouldn't put anything out on my channel that I don't want out there that is scammy or anything like that. But yeah, so you basically just go from there. Like I said, anywhere, anytime, upload photos, and that's going to do it for this one. Kept it short and simple. Been your guy, Financial Dex. I'm out, y'all.